How to transfer USDT from SafePal wallet to Binance. A complete step-by-step guide. Have you ever struggled with transferring USDT from your SafePal wallet to Binance? Maybe you're worried about choosing the wrong network, paying high fees, or losing your funds. Well, you're in the right place. Today, I will walk you through everything, from setting up your Binance deposit address to confirming the transaction and troubleshooting any issues that might come up. By the end of this video, you'll be able to transfer your USDT confidently and safely, even if you're a beginner. So stay with me till the end because I'll also share some crucial mistakes to avoid, which could save you money and prevent unnecessary headaches. Let's get started. What is USDT and why do people use it? USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, meaning its value remains around $1. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are volatile, USDT is commonly used for trading, transferring funds, and holding assets without worrying about price fluctuations. It exists on multiple blockchain networks, such as ERC20 on Ethereum, TRC20 on Tron, and BEP20 on Binance Smart Chain. Choosing the right network is crucial because sending USDT to the wrong network can result in permanent loss. What is SafePal Wallet? SafePal is a decentralized crypto wallet that allows users to store and manage their cryptocurrencies securely. It supports multiple networks and is widely used because of its user-friendly interface, strong security, and compatibility with major exchanges like Binance. The SafePal app enables users to send, receive, and even stake crypto assets directly from their wallets. Why transfer USDT to Binance? Many people transfer USDT from SafePal to Binance for various reasons, whether it's for trading, withdrawing to fiat currency, or investing in Binance-earned products. Binance offers a wide range of features, including low fees, high liquidity, and multiple withdrawal options, making it a preferred exchange for crypto users. Setting up Binance deposit address. Before transferring USDT, we need to get a deposit address from Binance. Follow these steps. Open the Binance app or website and log in. Navigate to Wallet, Fiat and Spot and search for USDT. Click Deposit and select the correct network, ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. A deposit address will appear. Copy this address carefully. Important tip, always choose the correct network. For example, if you copy a TRC20 address, but send funds using ERC20, you could lose your USDT permanently. Understanding blockchain networks and fees. Each blockchain network has different fees and speeds. ERC20 Ethereum, high security but high gas fees. TRC20, Tron, low fees, fast transactions, widely used. BEP20, Binance Smart Chain, fast and affordable, but mainly used within the Binance ecosystem. For most users, TRC20 is the best option due to its low fees and fast confirmation times. Checking SafePal wallet balance. Now let's check if you have enough funds in SafePal. 1. Open the SafePal app and go to the USDT wallet. 2. Make sure you have enough USDT plus extra funds for network fees. 3. If you don't have enough, deposit some USDT before proceeding. Without sufficient funds for gas fees, the transaction will fail. Sending USDT from SafePal to Binance. Now that we have our Binance deposit address, let's initiate the transfer. 1. Open the SafePal app and go to your USDT wallet. 2. Tap Send and paste the Binance deposit address. 3. Select the same network you chose on Binance, ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. 5. Double-check all details, then tap Confirm. 6. Enter your SafePal security password and authorize the transaction. Tracking your transaction. Once submitted, the transaction will appear as pending in SafePal. You can track it using blockchain explorers, etherscan.io for ERC20 transactions, tronscan.org for TRC20 transactions, bscscan.com for BEP20 transactions. Most transfers take 5 to 30 minutes, but network congestion may cause delays. Confirming deposit on Binance. After a few minutes, check if your USDT has arrived on Binance. 1. Open Binance and go to Wallet, Fiat and Spot. 2. Search for USDT and check if the balance has updated. 3. If received, your transfer was successful. 4.2. Common issues and solutions funds. Not received. Check if the transaction is confirmed on the Blockchain Explorer. Ensure you use the correct deposit address and matching network. If funds are missing, contact Binance or SafePal support. Wrong network used? If sent to the wrong network, you may need expert help to recover your funds. Binance support can assist in some cases. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to transfer USDT from SafePal to Binance without making costly mistakes. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever faced any issues with crypto transfers? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't